it is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. Ciao, it's been a minute. I know it's been crazy, okay? But I definitely want to catch you guys up, bust it up, and I want to play in some makeup because I definitely have a shoot tonight, okay? And I said, I usually don't have time to be putting no makeup, like recording, but I said, oh no, we're gonna catch up today because it's 2024. Oh my God, happy 2024, boo. What you been doing? I got to be quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing my makeup, okay? How have you been feeling? I've been feeling so good. I'm loving 2024 right now. It has been kind to me. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Jesus. 2024 has been good so far. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is the year of just, you know, keep growing, keep doing everything you're supposed to be doing. I have really just been in a focused self-care year, and I love that for me. I love that for everybody. I just feel like this is just really like a focused year. Like, you just need to be focused this year. You know, just enjoy the process. I think a lot of the times, I feel like sometimes I was just getting like a little irked with my process or whatever. But lately, I just been really enjoying my process. You know, just enjoying God and what He has for me. This does look a little light, but it's not, y'all. I'm telling y'all. You see how it's turning? But yeah, what I was saying, I'm in that realm of enjoying my process. At the end of the day, I am noticing that I am definitely not in control of this thing. Okay, I have no control. Okay, we have none. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, and right now I'm grateful anyway for where God has me. You know how I have grown, and I feel like in every part of like your success or whatever you want to do, you should always want more, and I think nobody should settle. It's just been just that type of 24. Just, you know, no settling, you know what I'm saying? Minding our business, minding the business that definitely pays us, okay? You know, so I just been chilling, you know. I love the way I'm self-caring myself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Haha, hee, you know. Okay. Don't take me no mind, y'all. I'm crazy. But other than that, I've been really chilling. I've been like really getting into like my little reads. I got some good reads I've been reading. Just like listening to like certain podcasts. I can't tell y'all right now. Like, I would have to put it like in the description box. But if y'all do want me to, you know, show y'all like the little podcasts and stuff that I be listening to, I will definitely let y'all know, you know what I mean? Put it in the chat. But I just really just been just focused. And that's probably why I haven't really been on here like that, because also this is like a season that I really don't be having a lot to say. I really don't be doing a lot of talking. I mean, I talk, you know, as far as my business, but I feel like this is a silent season. Silent season for me. I'm feeling it. I feel like it's good for me. At the end of the day, you got to do what's best for you, and you have to be obedient. And right now, I'm just being obedient and how He want me to move in life. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. I feel like this is a season of just enjoying my present. I feel like in 2023, I worked very hard. And I feel like now I'm just like, just relax. Don't try to have too much control of your life, because you don't. As soon as you think you be having the control, you don't. I think that's just been the vibe for me, just to relax and chill and love doing my makeup and beating my face. I haven't been doing any new techniques on my face or nothing like that. I kind of been really keeping it just chill, you know, kind of like beat or whatever. I actually haven't even been wearing like a lot of makeup, to be honest. I don't be really liking a lot of makeup all the time. And I look a little crazy, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get good. I even been purging from the internet. Like, if I'm not really posting like nothing about my business, just keeping it like business, like that's just what I've been doing. Because I also noticed like, whew, this internet, child, this internet be crazy, okay? And I be like, oh, I think now because I use the internet for like a tool, like I just go in here just to post my content and then getting right off. I think what I'm learning is I'm just being very mindful of what I put in my spirit lately. You feel what I'm saying? Just trying to keep a lot of things positive. You know what I mean? I just feel like it's very, very easy to be negative, but people never want to just, you know, be positive about some shit, you know? You know what I mean? That's what I've been doing. Staying positive. Positivity is what we need. Because a lot of these niggas be negative, and then a lot of people, when they sense that you have some sense of like, you know, like I'm on some chill, I just want to be at peace. People that's not at peace with themselves will purposely try to disturb your peace. And like, I'm just at a point like, no, I don't need my peace stolen. Y'all can go ahead with all of that. Hold on, I gotta do these eyebrows though. But yes, I really didn't even have nothing to talk about. I just wanted to come on here because I gotta let my fools know I'm chilling. Just like that, child. I don't even know how I'm doing my eyes. I wanted to keep it clean, but then I don't. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna do my first setting spray because I'm feeling a little. All right, so now since I had that there, I'm gonna do my eyes real quick. I don't know, but every time when I don't know, I either always go with like a brown, kind of like smoky, or a blue. So it's giving just brown. And I be doing both sides of my eyes, child, because I'll be like, I'll be damned. I don't know, it's just something about a chocolate. Like when it hit my eye, I'll be like, oh baby, that looks so good. I think I might just keep it just chill for today. Take a little black just to make that inside a little darker. So it can still look brown, but not, you know what I mean? I want to call my husband real quick just to ask him, what color am I wearing? This is how me and my husband do it though.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
What color am I doing? I'm gonna just do this right here.
You could do a little sparkle. What's this?
Yeah, I was gonna do sparkle, but I just said, what you gonna do something?
That's cute. Oh, like that one's cute too. You know
why you gotta go so dramatic? If I show y'all the ones that he picked, pick this dark ass eclipse blue. Oh, I could put that on the wing liner. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna just go and just put this on like this. I'm almost done. And I think people be going heavy on the blush, so I be like, I'm gonna go heavy on the blush. Okay? Okay. Shit, I wanna go heavy on the blush, we can go heavy. Heavy, heavy. You just so heavy, baby. Ooh, Common and Jennifer husband go together. I like that. I like that a lot. They make a cute couple. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. Let me put some highlight on these cheeks. Kept it real simple. I'm gonna kind of like put that all over my lid. I kind of want my whole eye to kind of like sparkle a little bit. So, yeah. Real cute, just closing that up. I usually do like a little white, but I'm gonna just close it. Just like that. So I am now taking my pins out my hair real quick. I'm dressed or whatever. Did I get them all out? Oh, I think I got them all out. Oh yes. I'm just gonna shake this out like this first. The vibe is definitely vibing. Ooh, ooh, shut your mouth. This is the final look, my boo. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick get ready with me. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. Also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, my boo, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.